Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Gravy Belt. Today we're working on this EP3 right here. It's going all-wheel drive because you guys know what I do. So we have the rear diff that I did my upgrade kit to in the last video, and then we have my GBR version 3 brackets bolted up so you guys can see how they fit. And we're about to install this bad boy. So we're gonna have to pull the gas tank. We're gonna have to do some trimming. And we're gonna have to drill some holes and get this thing bolted up so we can have some fun with this car. So check it out. So got the fuel tank out. Now we got a bunch of room for activities. You can see the fuel lines right here. He already had like a return fuel system. We're just gonna modify that. This car is gonna get a fuel cell. And yeah, so now that we got that out of the way, this bracket has to come off. We have to trim these right here. Pretty easy. Also too, he has some extra stuff that's gonna have to come off for now, like the sway bar. I do have a solution that I'm working on for the sway bars, but for sure I'm gonna need a longer bolt for my bracket if I intend to reuse this. So yeah, we're gonna have to address that. So let's start doing some cutting. Get this thing ready to fit. Alright, so Nelson trimmed these pieces so we can fit the bracket on here. So we're going to start putting the bottom bracket on, the lower arms, and then we got to start figuring out for the top. Oh, we still got to take this bracket off. But that's pretty easy. I have a tool for that. So we need to get this thing movable so we can park it today, and then we will do the knuckles and the lower arms, or these arms, tomorrow. So just gonna put these bad boys back in. Not too hard. And then the bracket just sits right here, just like that. Get the washers and the nuts. Super easy. Can't tighten these all the way. Well, I mean, if I hold this, I think I can do it actually. There we go. I can always loosen those a little bit, but that's how this thing goes on. So we're going to take the bracket off real quick and then start bolting up the diff and show you guys how to put that in. But that's the hardest part. Okay, well, time to put the diff up in here. So I put it on the jack. We got to get this bracket bolted up to the top piece and then sandwiched up here. So we got to get this bad boy up in there and put these bolts in and it'll hold it. So Nelson, if you come over here, let's get this thing handled. Yeah. Pretty easy. Yeah, just help me so it doesn't fall down, dude. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Wait. Okay, up more. There it is. That's the package. That's it. Yeah, we just want to make sure this is being held up in there. Okay, there we go. Here, try to hold it like
I got
right
it
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, once we get one, it'll be okay.
Right.
We just need to start getting it bolted in so it will stay up in there. Here, wiggle a little bit, Nelson. No, it's Here, wait. Watch your fingers.
Okay. I'm supporting it.
There it is. There it is. Yeah, it was a little high, so the other hole's actually pretty lined up here. Oh, you want to put it in?
Oh, I can. Here, let's see if you want me to. I can.
Easy peasy. Okay. Now that those are on there, I mean, we still need the jack
To support
it. Yeah. And then got to put this bad boy up in there. This is what's going to sandwich. Okay. Actually, here we're going to go down a little bit, Nelson, if you want to do it. Here we go. Go ahead. Okay, right there. Yeah, how does that look? Pretty flat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're golden.
Yeah, we're flush.
Okay, so I'm gonna put these bolts on, and then we're gonna mark these holes, and we're gonna drill it. Here, you want to do the other side? Here, careful. There's 2 washers on there. What do you think, Nelson? Pretty easy to install? I think it's pretty easy.
It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
The kit was designed so.
Yeah. For the most part, bolt on.
Yeah.
I mean, you still have to do a little bit of trimming, do a little bit of cutting, but
no welding.
No welding. Okay.
Oh, it's in hand tight.
I heard, Nelson, I think the paint pen is by you.
Yeah, right here.
By the drill. You see it? Okay, so now let's get these up in here. Okay, you want to do your side, Nelson?
Okay.
Is it flat?
It's flat.
Okay, handle it.
Wait, you talking flat against the wall right here?
Yeah.
No. Like that.
Okay, flat. Go ahead. Well, we're going to drill the holes a little on the big side too. Okay. Here, take these out. Let's see if we got a good mark.
Okay.
If it's marked well, then we can drop the diff one more time. Drill it out, and then... You got yours?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That looks good, dude. Okay. You kind of wiggled it around a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the cap.
Okay, got it. All right.
Okay. I don't want to get a bunch of metal shavings in this thing.
All right.
Here, wait. Okay. Now, give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, go ahead. I mean, we could probably lift this, but it's just a little heavy, and I'd rather use my tools to do the work for me. That's what they're for. Instead of struggling. Okay.
Down.
Yeah, let it down all the way. Perfect. Okay, so let's get this bad boy out of the way. I'm just gonna drill a small pilot hole and then bigger hole through the top. So, give me a second. Let me get that handle.
One.
Now we got 2 big holes for those bolts. Time to jack-a-lack. Get this bad boy up in here for the last time. There, you got that, Nelson?
Got it.
Let's start pumping.
Pumping.
I got it. I got it. You just worry about pumping it. Yeah, it's still a little crooked, but it's okay. Ooh. Wait. Okay. Here, gonna have to do. Yeah, it's not gonna sit level like that.
Right.
Okay, wait. Watch your fingers.
Clear. Supporting.
Ooh, almost. Okay. Okay, now try to put the bottom one. Here, wait, I went a little too low. There we go. Perfect, that's what we need, dude. Okay. Get these washers. Okay. Just want to get this supported so that jack moves, doesn't fall on us. Come on. There we go. I got it. Okay. Okay, now let's put this back on. Bolts. There, one for your side, now one for my side. Okay, and then we have to still keep this stuff all loose. Here, wait. Something's pushing, dude. Give it to me. Okay, now it's going in. Okay, so we got this bolted on for the most part. I'm gonna go inside the trunk and bolt on that plate. And then once we get that on there, maybe we start tightening everything up. Oh no, just stay down there. Oh, you know what? This is like... Yeah, there you go.
Yep. One side, both sides. Okay.
All right. So how's it looking? Is it looking level?
Looks good from here.
think that's level, dude. Here, put your hand and keep that flat.
Okay. Oh, it came off a little. No, it's still flat.
Here, put it on there.
Okay.
Okay. Let me pound in the top.
Let her down.
All right. Oh yeah, go ahead.
Watch your feet.
Okay. Now here, Nelson, you hold the wrench. Let's get these bolts tightened up. Got it?
Got one.
Alright, let's do the top.
Give me a sec. Come on. It's a funky angle with the diff.
Then use the open then. Might be easier. You just gotta hold it.
There.
Okay. And then we'll do the top, and then that's it. Oh no, we don't need the wrench for that.
Yeah, that's just you.
Almost. I'll do my side. You do your side. Alright. She's solid. So, got the rear diff brackets bolted up. Everything's fitting good. Next time, we're going to do the lower arms and the knuckles from the CRV and talk about the e-brake. And yeah. So, I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe.